Hello, my lovely friends. Today, I'm going to share with you a natural remedy using very familiar ingredients, loved by many to support a healthy body and maintain better circulation. This recipe is delicious, nutritious, and incredibly easy to make. Which country or where in the world are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below to let me know. Now, let's get right into making it with me. Our first ingredient is flax seeds. I have prepared 100 grams of flax seeds. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3, fiber, and natural nutrients that are very common in balanced and healthy diets. According to Dr. Eric Berg, a highly renowned nutritionist,
flax seeds are an excellent source of healthy fats and fiber, which effectively support the body's natural metabolic cycle. These tiny seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, which protects blood vessel walls and prevents atherosclerosis, while their lignans act as powerful antioxidants to keep the circulatory system clean and clear.
and we'll grind them into a fine powder. As the machine runs, you can see the tiny seeds breaking down. Grinding them is a must because flaxseed shells are very tough. If left whole, our bodies won't be able to digest and absorb the rich plant-based omega-3 and amazing antioxidants hidden inside. Look at this. The flax seeds have turned into a fine powder with a rich, nutty aroma. This fine powder will later give our mixture a natural thickness while fully releasing soluble fiber to help cleanse blood vessels and boost digestion. Once ground, I pour the flaxseed powder into a small bowl. Next, we need 1 lemon. I will rinse it with water. Then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to scrub the skin. Baking soda is naturally alkaline, which effectively removes deep-seated dirt, bacteria, and pesticide residues from the porous lemon peel. After scrubbing thoroughly, I rinse it with water once again. Now, I cut the lemon into small pieces. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and natural minerals, making our mixture aromatic and much easier to consume. As you slice it, you will catch a pleasant aroma. This scent, released from the peel, instantly activates digestive enzymes in the body. Finally, I use the tip of a knife to remove all the seeds to prevent the mixture from turning bitter. Please be patient and meticulous while de-seeding, because leaving even a few seeds behind can completely ruin the sweet, warm flavor of this nutritious jar. After removing all the seeds, I put all the sliced lemon pieces into the blender. Next, I have prepared a whole head of garlic. Now, I will separate it into individual cloves. While peeling the cloves, here is a quick tip. You can gently crush them with a knife, and the skin will come off very easily. Keeping raw garlic fresh like this ensures it retains its highest nutrient content without being altered by heat. After peeling, I slice the garlic into small pieces. Slicing or chopping garlic not only helps the blender run smoother, but more importantly, it activates enzymes to release allicin, the most precious bioactive compound in garlic that fights inflammation, naturally thins the blood, and prevents blood clots. Finally, I add all the sliced garlic into the blender along with the previously prepared lemon slices. I add a splash of purified water to the blender to help the blades rotate smoothly, allowing the garlic and lemon to blend perfectly without diluting their nutrients. Blend everything into a completely smooth mixture. Make sure to blend thoroughly until the lemon and garlic turn into a uniform, creamy paste, ensuring our body can absorb it quickly and completely. Take a look at this. The mixture turns into a beautifully smooth, pale yellow paste. As I pour it into the bowl, the warm aroma of lemon essential oils blended with garlic fills the air instantly. Don't worry about the pungent smell, as blending them together allows the natural acidity of the lemon to significantly mellow out the sharp bite of raw garlic. Now, I am using a piece of fresh ginger. After washing away all the dirt from the outside, I will go ahead and peel it. Instead of using a knife, I will use a small spoon to scrape the ginger skin. This spoon hack not only helps us clean the skin faster around those tricky curves, but more importantly, it only removes a paper-thin layer, preserving the outer flesh right under the skin, which holds the highest concentration of essential oils and powerful antioxidants. After peeling, I use a grater to finely grate the ginger. Grating the ginger this way breaks down the tough fibers and fully releases gingerol. Please remember to share this recipe with your family and friends because it is incredibly simple to make and the ingredients are super easy to find. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you find these health tips helpful. Your support motivates me to create more content every week. Once grated, I will add all of this finely minced ginger into the bowl with the previously blended lemon and garlic mixture. Next, I add the finely ground flaxseed powder from our first step into the bowl. At this point, all our core ingredients, lemon, garlic, ginger, and flax seeds, are combined, ready to create a nutrient-dense and soluble, fiber-rich base for our mixture. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon into the bowl. The natural aroma of cinnamon makes the recipe much more appealing. Beyond its delightful scent, right after that, I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, I add 4 to 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This is a very common ingredient in many balanced and healthy diets. It not only makes our mixture richer and more aromatic, but the monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil also act as a solvent to help dissolve bad cholesterol plaques in the vessels. Finally, I add 150 grams, which is about 110 to 115 milliliters of pure raw honey. Honey not only creates a naturally mild sweetness and helps all the ingredients blend beautifully, but it also acts as an excellent natural preservative, keeping our mixture fresh without any chemicals. Now, let's mix everything thoroughly with the honey. While mixing, remember to stir evenly and press gently so that the ground flax seeds and dry spices fully dissolve into the honey and olive oil. As these nutrients combine, they create a uniform bioactive synergy, allowing our body to immediately activate the circulatory cleansing cycle and optimally strengthen the immune barrier upon consumption. And that's it. I am scooping the entire mixture into a clean, sterilized glass jar. While doing this, remember to press it down gently to remove any air bubbles. Using a glass jar that has been boiled in water prevents bacterial growth, ensuring this liquid gold of ours won't ferment or spoil. So, from very familiar ingredients, I now have a powerful mixture that helps boost immunity and supports better blood circulation. Remember to keep it in the fridge to stay fresh. Please note that this mixture is a dietary supplement, not a substitute for medicine. If you are taking medication for blood pressure, blood thinners, or have stomach issues, it is essential to consult your doctor before using it. Even natural remedies, if used incorrectly, can interfere with the prescription drugs you are currently taking. Every morning, I take 1 tablespoon on an empty stomach and another 1 tablespoon in the evening, 4 hours before bed. This ensures optimal absorption. There are 2 ways to take this. I usually take it directly to enjoy the mild sourness of lemon, warmth of ginger, and sweetness of honey. It instantly warms you up and wakes you right up. If taking it directly is too intense, just mix 1 tablespoon into 150 milliliters of warm water. Stir well like a warm lemon ginger honey tea. It's light and easy to drink. Both methods offer a deeply cleansing and light feeling, so see which way suits you best. Stay healthy, everyone. The recipe is done, and everything is ready. I hope this video brings you an exciting and easy-to-make natural remedy right at home to support your health. Once you've made it, don't forget to comment below to let me know. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Wishing you all great health and lots of joy. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.